Good evening from Ashgabat. We're live at where Arkadag FC are hosting Al-Nasr in a much anticipated friendly to close out the year.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Arkadag Stadium in Ashgabat. Please rise and applaud the teams as they enter the pitch.
Arkadag FC.
The stadium in Arkadag is alive tonight.
Together, strong, trust each other. We restart on our terms. One heartbeat. Arkadag on 3. 1, 2, 3!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moments away from kickoff.
Arkadag is ready. Al-Nasr is ready. A goal. Set to write another chapter. Referee's whistle.
Full time in Ashgabat, and what a contest we've witnessed. Arkadag Football Club and Al-Nasr of the Gulf could not be separated. 3 goals apiece.